Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. I am your lady Tania. If this is your first time watching my channel, please consider subscribing. You see the TV? Yes. Finally got the TV for the mother of 5. Testing it in the store to ensure that everything is okay. Welcome all my subscribers and thank you for always coming back to watching my videos. This is the receipt, guys, for the TV. I then visited the supermarket and I got all these things for the mother of 5 and her children. Cassandra sent me a shopping list via WhatsApp and I use a list to purchase all these goodies that I have here. Juice, snacks, chicken, soap powder, and the list goes on and on. So what she asked for was purchased. Guys, I am going to pack up and get ready to hit the road to Westmoreland, a long distance but worth it.
Pick them in. You can't go in, you know? Afraid to turn in the car? In coward. Now come on. Alright, that's it. Alright, thanks.
Yeah, man. Because me love chat Jamaican. Me raise a bar like no other nation. This are the time for we all get wiser. Jamaica to the world, make we start work harder. We arise, we are pray in a this lovely place. Get rid of bad mind and learn we lesson. Lady Tania, queen of YouTube. Everything me do in the end it gets better. Yeah, it'll go better. Yeah, chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania.
Okay. Hi, Miss Cassandra. How are you?
Okay.
Alright, so I just my lady kissing the TV. Look at the little one. Hello everyone. Hi. How are you? Okay. You do what's up the size of the pampers? Me not get it. You know, right? So me have to go give you the money to purchase it.
Oh, no problem.
Alright, so I brought the TV. My lady I hug up the TV from way down the road. So she should get it. Maybe I can try it too to see if it's working, and then I took the groceries here with me. I think this TV comes with a wall stand if you want to put it on the wall, and it's a smart TV, and it also has 2 remotes and other stuff like that, so it will be helpful for them. I asked the gentleman to download the YouTube on it already, so the YouTube was downloaded, so you can hook it up to the regular TV plus the so you will start it out. Alright, Cassandra had also stated that she needed some money to come to make payment on some bills, so I'm going to ensure that that is given. Is what again? The light and the internet. Alright guys, I'm going to be extremely honest. I had just asked Cassandra to test the TV to ensure that it is working, but you would have seen where I shown you where I tested it in the store and everything, but she doesn't have any current. The light cut off and then she was unable to make payment on the light bill, so currently she has no light. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to also give her some money in order for her to make payment on the light, and also to whatever outstanding bill for her to be able to use the TV. Alright guys, I'm just letting you know. Alright? But I brought the groceries.
Thank you very much.
So yeah, that's it. Cassandra, let me give you an update on what is happening now. So Golden Cross, it's a Caribbean restaurant overseas. They're based in Georgia, so they have 2 branches. One is at 315 Jonesboro Road, McDonough, same Georgia, and one is at 11274 Tara Boulevard, Hampton, Georgia. So what they have done, the employees and the manager, they have pulled together and they came up with 100,000 Jamaican dollars. So what they did, they sent 100,000, but they gave with instruction. So what he's saying is that when I must purchase the TV for you, and then when I do one shopping for the grocery, I must save back some money for other shopping. But now I'm going to let him know that some of the money was handed over to you to pay some bills and to purchase the Pampers, because I never get the chance to see the WhatsApp message because the message came in late and I didn't have any internet to look at it at the time. All right. Also, Miss Blanche Townsend from Maryland, she have sent $14,884, but because I was unable to pick up, the person who I asked to pick up the money was given $2,000 for pickup because I was unable to do the pickup on that time. So in all, it would have came to $12,884. And Miss Althea Hewitt sent Jamaican 4,500, and she is from New York. Yeah, so now everybody would be happy for everything so far. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go through the expense. The groceries come to 19,000 something, but it's just said 20,000 flat. All right, so $20,000 and $30,000 was paid for the TV. So that's and 30, that's what, 50? Yeah, 50 flat. Just round it off to 50 flat. Yeah. For the television, and then we're working from $107,000. All right. Reason why we're working from $107,000, I took $12,000 for gas, and the up and down for the whole day for the bus and so on. So gas and lunch. So 12,000 would have gone to there. So I'm going to do the calculation, and whatever is leave over. Remember, the gentleman said to save it so that another set of grocery can be purchased. So I'm gonna wait until these are finished, until these are complete, and then now I will go ahead and make another set of groceries. But I'm going to give you 5,000 for the Pampers because I'm giving you 5,000 for the Pampers because I didn't get the opportunity to buy it. And then also knowing that I no light, knowing that all of that, so I'm gonna have to assist you in paying the bills so that everything can work out. Now come Miss Happy over there, so I jump up and down. Oh God, they're so excited to know that the light is going to come back on for them to be able to watch the TV. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 will be fine. How much are you? 30?
Suppose I didn't want. I didn't want for.
Behold the money, David. Behold the money, David.
Party complete.
Soon get more money.
Yeah, party complete.
I do look.
So now I'm going to go on my do then calculations here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15,000 to cover the bills. This is for the Pampers. There's this lady, she said that she's going to send down some Pampers, but the Pampers are not here as yet. So I just have to wait on her. So she's sending enough in the barrel so that the baby can get some of the Pampers. So I'm just hoping now that you'll get the light to test out the TV. I was just so excited, coming because it is a smart TV. So I was just so excited coming. So I was so excited coming to know, you know, that they will, when it come on and everything, that they'll see. But guys, we did not get the opportunity to see that.
Yes.
And we are just hoping now that the light will come on. But the next time when I come, the help, a better help will be there. But guys, remember, if you want to contribute to Cassandra, you can always contribute. You have seen her situation, seen the condition and everything, so you can still reach out to me. It is not too late in order to assist her, because this is the reality of what is happening. All right, the children are excited now that they're going to get the light, and they are all happy to see the TV plus the groceries, because they were so excited when they were taking them out of the car. All right, guys. So guys, just thank you for being a part of the channel. Thank you for tuning in, and you will get more updates coming forward.
I want to say thanks to everybody that donated to me and my children. Thank you so much. It means a lot. I appreciate it. God bless you.
So just a reminder, the name, so Golden Crust, it's a restaurant, a Caribbean restaurant in Georgia. Thank you so much, Miss Blanche Townsend from Maryland. Your donation is truly appreciated. And Miss Althea Hewitt over there in New York, thank you so much. Trust me, you have contributed a lot right now, because you are, you know, giving them the opportunity to have something to eat, and also to put on back the light, so that and also the internet, so that they will be able to do their schooling, right? So thank you guys for your contribution, for everything that you have done.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye, Miss Tania.
Bye bye everyone. You drink your juice. All right, take care.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of